Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Ani back with another video. If you're interested in seeing this cute little style I put together, please stay tuned. Alright y'all, so I've already sectioned my hair off in 4 equal parts and braided down the back. Now I'm going to go ahead and put a ponytail right in the center of this top section at the top of my head. Now I'm going to go ahead and split this subsection down the middle, aiming to get it as straight as possible. Now I'm going to take a few locks from the front down the center, creating a guideline. Now, taking 2 to 3 strands at a time, I'm going to cross over that guideline from left to right. In order to keep it nice and neat, I decided to place a pin to hold it in place. Every time you fold in a lock, make sure that the loose ends follow the guideline. Repeat this pattern till all locks in that section are folded in. Arms tired? Oof. Now that both braids are done, I'm going to band all 3 ponytails together. Alright, all 3 ponytails banded and braided. I'm going to take this last section and split it in half, then divide that section into subsections for 2-strand twists. If you want a full tutorial on the bangs, check out my previous video, Knotted Bangs. Alright, okay, I'm seeing it. Now I'm going to take this lot of body and set all these little flyaways and get this hair nice and crispy. One of the only times I wrap my hair, y'all. And voila, nice and crispy. And I'm actually kind of feeling the loose ponytail look. to be honest. But I decided to go ahead and knot each ponytail just to give it a clean updo style. Folding the hair forward and putting a rubber band on it is creating a base that I don't really have because I don't have a ton of hair. And now that I've split it, I'm going to go ahead and just wrap that hair right around the base of that little knot I've created. Excuse my concentration faces, y'all. I be really focused. Now that I've tucked the ends from one side to the other, I'm now going to wrap the other end back over to that side. Now I'm going to wrap and tuck any loose locks I see hanging. Okay, that's cute. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and put some bobby pins in it. Just make sure that bitch is in place, okay? Okay, alright. So I've already completed the second ponytail, and I'm going to complete the same steps on this third ponytail. Bam. Yes, I'm definitely feeling it so far. It's absolutely adorable. But you know your girl's extra, so we gotta add some bedazzle to it. How can we not? Yes. Yes, too fucking cute. So you know I had to add some more, you guys. I'm obsessed. A few more gold clips here and there. Some more bedazzle. Did I say I'm obsessed? Alright, it's looking like we're bedazzled enough. Okay. Now for the few edges I've got left, we're gonna go ahead and just line those up and make those look nice and neat. You know they ain't baby hairs, but they gonna be baby hairs today. Yes. Do you guys like? Let me know in the comments below. Are you walking with it or not? Thanks for giving me a little piece of your day. I always appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Mwah.